RentTrack Credit Score Tool Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing RentTrack, a unique credit score tool designed to help you boost your credit score by reporting your rent payments to major credit bureaus. As always, I've added links to the product in the description, so be sure to check them out for more details. RentTrack is a powerful tool that allows renters to improve their credit score by ensuring their rent payments are reflected in their credit report. This is particularly helpful for those who may not have a credit history or want to improve their existing score, as rent payments typically aren't reported to the credit bureaus. The tool integrates directly with your landlord or property management company, making it easy for them to report payments on your behalf. One of the standout features of RentTrack is its seamless setup process. Once you sign up, RentTrack works in the background, tracking your rent payments and ensuring they are accurately reported. You'll receive monthly updates, which allows you to monitor your credit score improvement over time. This tool also helps you track your payment history, so you have a clear overview of when payments are made and what's been reported. RentTrack is ideal for renters looking to build or improve their credit score. Since it focuses specifically on rent payments, it provides a valuable opportunity for individuals who may struggle to establish credit through traditional means. It's particularly beneficial for younger individuals, those who are new to credit, or anyone looking to add positive payment history to their credit report. In conclusion, RentTrack is a fantastic tool for renters aiming to improve their credit score by reporting rent payments. It's easy to use, reliable, and offers an innovative way to build credit without the need for a credit card or loan. If you're looking to boost your score, check out the links in the description to get started with RentTrack today.